Good morning, children. I am Arisara sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in my previous class from 9th class state mathematics polynomials, I completed up to 13th problem. So, children, I am requesting you, please open your mathematics textbook, that is 9th class maths textbook, page number 57. Now, I am going to explain you 14th Roman from exercise 2.5. Okay, children. So children, I am requesting you, please open your mathematics textbook, that is 9th class state mathematics textbook, page number that is 57, page number 57, exercise 2.5, 14th one. Exercise 2.5, exercise 2.5, 14th problem. Okay, children. Without actual calculating the cubes, find the values of the following expressions. Okay, actually 4 problems are there in this Roman. I will explain you 3 problems. Second one from this one, 28 whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube. Children, you see, without actual multiplication, find the value of this one by using an algebraic identity. So solution, given expression is, this is 28 whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube. Okay, children, let it be x, where x equal to 28 cube plus y cube, y equal to minus 15, plus z cube, z equal to minus 13, where x is equal to 28, y is equals to minus 15 and z is equals to minus 13. Children, you see what I supposed, this is x cube, where x is 28, plus this is y cube, y is minus 15, plus this is z cube, z is minus 13. So before that one, let us find out the value of x plus y plus z. Let us find the value of x plus y plus z. X is 28 plus y is minus 15 plus z is minus 13. Children, it is 28, minus 15 minus 13 is minus 28. So 28 minus 28 is 0. So what we noticed, clearly x plus y plus z is equal 0. So already in previous class I completed, I told you the very important identity. Whenever x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube value 3xyz. Okay, children, I will do the continuation here. WKT stands for, we know that when x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Okay, children. So when x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Now see, that is x cube means 28 cube plus y cube means minus 15 whole cube plus z cube means minus 13 whole cube equal to 3 into x 28 into y minus 15 into z minus 13. Okay, children. Now observe, this is 3 28s, 3 8s, 24, 2, 3 2s, 6 plus 2 8 into, this is 15 13, minus into minus anyway, minus into minus anyway plus only. Now observe, see, this is 13 5s 65, 6 13 1s 13 plus 6 19, 15 13s 195. Why? Because minus into minus is plus, 13 5s 65, 6 13 1s 13 plus 6 19. So 195 into 84, 195 into 84, 4 5s are 22, 4 9s are 36 plus 2 38, 3 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. Okay, now 8 5s are 40, 4 8 9s are 72 plus 4 76, 7 8 1 8 plus 5 7 15. So 0 8 13 6 1 16380, 16380. So what is this value? 16,380. So what we got, children? 16,380. Let us verify whether it is right or wrong with the textbook answer. This is the problem from 14th one, second one from exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5, 14th one. Children, verify. I am verifying the answer. Exercise 2.5, 14th one, second one. Yes, 16,380 is absolutely right what I got. 16,380. I hope that you have understood this solution, children. Did you understand or not? Tell me frankly. Yes, children. Okay. Now this is the problem. Verify. I will explain you one more problem from this Roman. That is from exercise 2.5, 14th one. I explained the second one. We will discuss some other problem from this Raman. Please see the textbook, children. Verify. I am going to explain you now. This is from exercise 2.5, 14th Raman. Third one. What is this one? Observe. Evaluate 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube. Minus 5 by 6 whole cube. Verify, children. 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube. Concentrately verify. Given expression is so 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube. Now how we will write this one? Observe. This is 1 by 2 whole cube plus this is 1 by 3 whole cube. Now plus this is minus 5 by 6 whole cube. Concentrately, do not get any confusion. Here minus 5 by 6 whole cube, that I have written as plus minus of 5 by 6 whole cube. Why? Because minus cube means minus into minus into minus is minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. That minus into plus is minus. Did you understand? Do not get any confusion. How I have written this one as in this manner. So minus cube is minus into minus into minus. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. So minus cube is minus. That minus into plus minus. Anyway, 5 by 6 whole cube. So now observe. It is x cube where x equal to 1 by 2. Plus this is y cube where y equal to 1 by 3. Plus this is z cube where z equal to minus 5 by 6. Now I will write where x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3, z is equal to minus 5 by 6. Now let us find out x plus y plus z value. Now x is 1 by 2 plus y is 1 by 3 minus z is minus 5 by 6 plus z is minus 5 by 6. Now let me simplify here. LCM of all those is 6. LCM of the denominators 2, 3, 6 is 6 only. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2 minus 6 1s are 6, 1 5s are 5. Now observe that equal to 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 5 0, 0 by 6 is 0 only. So what we noticed, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. We know that when x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube value 3xyz. Okay children, therefore what we noticed here, x plus y plus z we got it as 0. So WKT stands for, we know that when x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. X cube means what? 1 by 2 whole cube plus y cube means what? 1 by 3 whole cube plus z cube means what? Minus 5 by 6 whole cube equal to 3 into x 1 by 2 into y 1 by 3 into z minus 5 by 6. Okay children, now observe this 3 and this 3 cancel. It is minus 5 by 2 6 12. So what we got final answer? Minus 5 by 12. What we got final answer? Minus 5 by 12. So did you understand children? Yes. I hope that you have understood this problem. Okay children? Yes. So these are the two problems from this exercise 2.5. These are the two problems from this exercise 2.5 from the 14th Roman. I will explain you one more problem also from this 14th Roman. Just you see the textbook children. Verify. That I am going to explain you fourth one. From 14th Roman. Fourth one. 0.2 whole cube. Minus 0.3 whole cube. Minus 0.1 whole cube. Concentrate. 0.2 whole cube minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube, not minus. Okay children, verify. See, given expression is that is 0.2 whole cube and minus 0.3 whole cube and plus this is 0.1 whole cube. How I will write? Observe. This is 0.2 whole cube plus in the bracket minus 0.3 whole cube plus in the bracket 0.1 whole cube. Once you see the middle term, minus 0.3 whole cube, minus cube means minus into minus into minus. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. That minus cube is minus, minus into plus, minus. Did you understand? Yes. It is of the form x cube where x equal 0.2 plus y cube where y equal to minus 0.3 plus z cube where z is equal 0.1. Now I will write those values where x is equal to 0.2, y is equal to minus 0.3, z is equal to 0.1. Now after this one, let us find out the value of x plus y plus z. Now x means 0.2 plus y means minus 0.3 plus z means 0.1. Children, you see 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.3 plus into minus minus 0.3. These will be cancelled 0. So what we noticed, x plus y plus z equal 0. That I will write here. Therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 0. As we all know that one, whenever x plus y plus z is equal 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube value 3xyz. Okay children, we know that when x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Equals to 3xyz. We noticed here x plus y plus z we got 0. Then the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube answer is 3xyz. X cube means 0.2 whole cube plus y cube means minus 0.3 whole cube plus z cube means 0.1 whole cube is equal to 3 into x means 0.2 into y means minus 0.3 into z means 0.1. Now observe plus into minus minus. Okay children, 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18. Do not get any confusion. 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. After 1, after 1, after 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. After 3 digits there is a point. 1, 2. Third digit must be 0. 0.0. So minus 0.018. Minus 0.018. Let me verify the answer with the textbook whether it is right or wrong. This is the fourth problem from 14th Roman from exercise 2.5. From exercise 2.5, fourth problem from 14th Roman. Yes, minus 0.018. What I got, that is absolutely right. What I got, minus 0.018. That is absolutely right. It is tallied with the textbook answer. Okay, children. I hope that you have understood this question and this problem also. So, out of 4 problems, I explained you 3 problems. Just I left only 1 problem that you can do in the same process. It's very easily. So, once you verify, children, the textbooks, that is exercise 2.5. 15th Roman. Exercise 2.5, 15th Roman. Children, you see exercise 2.5, 15th Roman. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given by so and so. Okay. So, first I will explain you 15th Roman, second problem. See, 25a square minus 35a plus this is 12. So, this expression represents area of rectangle. We need to find out what is length and what is breadth. Okay children, this expression represents area of rectangle. So what is length and what is breadth? After factorizing this one, you will get 2 factors. Those indicates one is length and other is breadth. Yes children. See, solution. Given that area of rectangle is equals to 25a square minus 35a and plus 12. So we cannot take common anything from this one because these are not divisible by any common number. So let us factorize. We know the process of factorization. First product of extremes, 25a square into 12. So 12 5 is 60, 0, 6, 12 2 is 24 plus 6, 300a square. So let us factorize for 300a square whose factors and whose product is 300a square and their sum or difference must be minus 35a. Can we write it as minus 20 and minus 15? Minus 20a and minus 15a. Can we write minus 20 and minus 15a? Why? Because minus into minus plus 20 15 ja 300 a into a square. By adding minus 20a and also minus 15a, then you will get minus 35a. So which is equal to middle term minus 35a. So factorization process once you recollect. So product of extremes 25a square into 12. 25a square into 12 is 300a square. Why? Because a square, this 12 5 is 60, 0, 6, 12 2 is 24 plus 6 300. Okay. So factors for 300a square are minus 20a and minus 15a. Why? Because when you multiply these you will get 300a square only. Because minus into minus plus 20 15 is 300. A into a square. by adding those two, that is minus 20a plus minus 15a becomes as minus 35a, which is equal to middle term minus 35a. So these are the factors for this one. So let us write this is 25a square and it can be written as minus 20a and minus 15a becomes as minus 35a, and plus this is 12. From these two we can take common 5a into one more 5a. Why? Because 5 5s are 25 into a square minus 5 4s are 20 into a. From these two we can take common 3 minus 3. 3 5s are 15 a minus 3 4s are 12. Minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12. So one factor is 5a minus 4 and other factor is 5a minus 3. 5a minus 3. One factor is 5a minus 4 and other factor is 5a minus 3. So these are the dimensions of rectangle. Therefore we write conclusion. Dimensions of rectangle are one is 5a minus 4 comma other is 5a minus 3. So one is length and other is breadth. They are the dimensions of a rectangle. So did you understand, children? This is the area of the rectangle. After factorizing this one, we got two factors. Those indicates one is length and other is breadth. They are the dimensions of rectangle. Yes, children? Okay. Verify. One more problem is there in this Roman. I will explain that problem also. First one from the 15th Roman. See the textbooks, children. Children, see the textbook from the 15th Roman. First one. I explained you. Second one. See the first one. 15th Roman. 4a square plus 4a minus 3. 4a square plus 4a minus 3. First one. 4a square plus 4a minus 3. See, children. Given that area of rectangle is equals to 4a square plus 4a minus 3. So again, this is the quadratic expression, quadratic polynomial. We have to factorize this one. We will get two factors. Why? Because the quadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 2. So after factorizing this one, it is equal to number of the zeros. Number of factors means 2, because this is the second degree polynomial. Let us factorize. See, 4a square into minus 3. 4a square into minus 3 is minus 12a square. Product of extremes. 4a square into minus 3 minus 12a square. What are the factors for minus 12a square? Whose product is minus 12a square, and there is some other difference must be middle term 4a. That means plus 6a and minus 2a. Plus 6a and minus 2a. Why? Because plus into 6 minus plus into minus 6 2s are 12, a into a square, as it is balanced. So 6a plus minus 2a comes as 4a. That is middle term 4a. So we can factorize this one. 4a square, this can be written as 6a minus 2a. That is 4a. It is minus 3. Now from these two we can take common 2a. One more 2a is there, plus 3. Why? Because 2a into 2a 4a square plus 2a into 3 6a. From these two we can take only minus 1. Then you get again 2a plus 3. Why? Because minus 1 into 2a minus 2a. Minus 1 into plus 3 minus 3. So what is one factor? 2a plus 3. What is another factor? 2a minus 1. So these are the dimensions of rectangle. Therefore we write the conclusion. Dimensions of rectangle are one is 2a plus 3 and other is 2a minus 1. So these are the dimensions of rectangle. So one is length and other is breadth. So I hope that you have understood these two problems. Finding dimensions of rectangle whenever that area of rectangle is given. Yes, children? Okay. Shall we go for the next Roman? Yes. So see the textbooks, children, from the 16th Roman. Verify. Children, you see 16th Roman. What are the possible polynomial expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volume is given below? Okay, children. 16th one. First one I will explain you from the 16th Roman. It is given 3x cube minus 12x. 3x cube minus 12x. Same process. Instead giving area of rectangle, it is given volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is given. After factorizing this cubic polynomial, we will get three factors. So those three factors indicates length and breadth and height of the cuboid. That is the process of doing this Roman. Okay, children. See, children, given that volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid cuboid is equals to 3x cube minus 12x. Volume of cuboid, how much it is given, children? 3x cube minus 12x. So x we can take common, into 3 we can take common, 1 x square is there, minus 4 is there, 4 is there. Once verify, children. X into x square, x cube. Yes, 3x into x square, 3x cube, minus 3x into 4, 12x. That is x into 3 means 3x. So it is what? X square minus 4, how you will write? 2 square. So this is 3x into, it is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So x square minus 2 square means x plus 2 into x minus 2. So how many factors are there? 1, 3x, other x plus 2, another x minus 2. So there are 3 factors. So they are the dimensions of the cuboid. One is length and other is breadth and other is height. Therefore, dimensions of cuboid. Dimensions of cuboid. Dimensions of cuboid are 3x, comma x plus 2, comma x minus 2. They are the dimensions of cuboid. Length, breadth and height. Did you understand, children? It's very simple, easy only. Yes. Verify. One more problem is there in this Roman. Let me explain you that problem also. See, children, textbook 16th Roman, second one. What it is given? 12y square plus 8y minus 20. 12y square plus 8y minus 20. Second one from the 16th Roman. 12y square plus 8y minus 20. 12y square plus 8y minus 20. So this is the volume of the cuboid. Given that volume of cuboid is equal to 12y square plus 8y minus 20. All these are divisible by 4. Am I correct or not? Yes. 4 3s are 12, 3y square plus 4 2s are 8 minus 4 5s are 20. So 4 into, let us factorize this one. Let us factorize this one. 3y square into minus 5. 3y square into minus 5 is equal to minus 15y square. So what are the factors for this minus 15y square? I am factorizing this quadratic polynomial. Already got one factor 4. 3y square into minus 5 minus 15y square. Product of first terms. To get middle term 2y, it is minus 5y and plus 3y. Why? Because minus into plus minus 5 3s are 15 y into y square. By adding these two, plus 5y minus 3y. 5y and plus minus 3y is equals to 2y. So that is middle term 2y. So it can be written as 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. 5y minus 3 is 2y. Yes, it is 4 into 3. Once you see, children, from these two what we can take common? Only y. 3y plus y. 3y plus 5. Observe, children, 4 into, from these two I can take common only y. Y into 3y, 3y square. Y into 3y, 3y square. Plus y into 5, 5y. From these two we can take only minus 1 as common. 3y plus 5. 3y plus 5. Why? Because minus 1 into 3y, minus 3y. Minus 1 into 5, minus 5. So this is 4 into, what is the overall common factor here? 3y plus 5. What is another factor here? Y minus 1. So how many factors are there? 3. What are they? One is 4, other is 3y plus 5, other is y minus 1. That conclusion we write here. Therefore, dimensions of the cuboid. Therefore, dimensions of cuboid. Dimensions of cuboid are 4, 3y plus 5, y minus 1. Once observe, dimensions of cuboid 4, 3y plus 5, y minus 1. Did you understand, children? So what we learned from this Roman? Volume of cuboid is given, that is a third degree polynomial, means a cubic polynomial. We have factorized that cubic polynomial. We got 3 factors. Those indicates the dimensions, length, breadth, height of the cuboid. Yes, children? Okay. So let us see 17th problem. If 2 into the bracket a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square, then show that a is equal to b. Verify, children. 17th solution. Given that it's a nice problem, 2 marks problem. 2 into in the bracket a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square. Then we need to show that a is equal to b. Verify. So this is 2 into a square, 2a square plus 2 into b square, 2b square equal to formula for a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, children? The condition is 2 into a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. It is given. From this we need to show that a is equal to b. 2 into a square, 2a square plus 2 into b square, 2b square equal to a plus b whole square. I have expanded a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this is 2a square plus this is 2b square. Bring those to left hand side. The symbols will be changed. It comes as minus a square. It comes as minus b square. It comes as minus 2ab equal to 0. Now observe 2a square minus a square. Only 1a square. It is minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. So 2b square minus b square, that is plus b square, is equal to 0. So what we have? A square minus 2ab plus b square, that also can be written as a minus b whole square, is equal to 0. Taking square root on both sides, root over a minus b whole square is equal to root over 0. So root and square cancel. What you get? A minus b. Root and square cancel. A minus b equal root 0, 0 only. Root 0, 0 only. So when a minus b equal 0, a is equal to minus b, come this side, plus b. So hence proved. Hence proved. So we are asking to prove a is equal to b. So that we have proved a is equal to b. It's a beautiful problem. It's just only 2 marks problem. I hope that you have understood this problem. Yes, children? Okay. So now all the problems from exercise 2.5 I have explained you. Exercise 2.5 is completed. Children, you see, exercise 2.1, exercise 2.2, exercise 2.3, exercise 2.4, exercise 2.5. So this polynomials chapter is completed. This polynomials chapter successfully completed. So my today's homework is, children, from exercise 2.5, 14th Roman, 15th Roman, 16th Roman, 17th problem. You have to do in the classwork what I have explained in today's class. Okay, children? Thank you one and all.